If you've decided to close your Amazon account, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Make sure to consider any outstanding orders or subscriptions before proceeding. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Amazon website and log into your account using your email and password. Ensure you are accessing the account you wish to close. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, hover over the Accounts and Lists option at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Find the Closing Account option. Scroll down to the Account Settings section. Look for the option labeled Close Your Account or Close Your Amazon Account. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Review account information. Amazon will provide information regarding what will happen when you close your account, including the loss of access to your order history, digital content, and subscriptions. Review this information carefully before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm account closure. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision to close the account. You may need to provide a reason for closing and confirm your identity through additional verification steps. Once completed, your account will be scheduled for closure. After following these steps, your Amazon account will be closed. Make sure to download any important information or data before starting this process, as it cannot be recovered once the account is closed.